Enough! Your words are empty.
Oh, ancestors, guide the winds. Let the blizzard cease.
Silence, Shaman. Your whispers are useless against this storm.
The spirits are angry. Your rituals are empty. We are all going to die here.
They are just scared, brother. You are not a failure.
Grandfather would have stopped it. He would have commanded the wind. I only have his empty words.
Then don't use his words. Use your own eyes.
How do I see what it wants?
I didn't see with my eyes. I saw with the storm's fury. It wasn't anger. It was pain.
We gave it pain.
We were cold. We were afraid. We took without asking. We are sorry.